Hi! In this guide we will show you how to download and install Python easy way. First open your favorite browser and type search for Python. Now go to their download page and start the download of their latest version. Wait for download to complete. After that, run the setup and follow the steps. Click Next and install. Python successfully installed. Now you can code in Python in your Windows 11. Another method of installing Python is just open Windows 11 App Store. Search for Python. Click on Get, and it will start installing. Wait for finishing installation. And done. Open PowerShell to check if Python installed correctly or not. And that's how you install Python programming language in Microsoft Windows 11 operating system. Hope you liked our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel as well.